just one locomotive. Wow. That's a fast little train. Wait, is that the train that's gonna stop? Is it gonna stop? Is it entering DPU? I get that. Woo! Freight train for the fourth time. Finally, it's a freight train. Damn cool. It's a freight train. Finally, of my life. I've never been so happy. I've never been so happy to see a freight train from the station and record it in my life. Wow, that was epic. Epic. No, we still have really cool trains. That's the problem. But here's something that's really cool. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Dude, that is dope. Just would you look at that? That's beautiful. Look at all those freight cars right down the track. Oh my God. That is so many freight cars. Wow. That's a fun little unit. Is that gonna be an in-train DPU? What? It isn't. That's lame. That is lame. That is so... Jeez. Pebbles. That is a cool colored train. 3 digit cars, green train. Shame it's not an N-train DPU. Thought I have a high chance it would be. But yeah, that was pretty nice. Pretty nice train. So I'll just tell you what our location is. We're in... You hear that? That's the train horn. That was my poopy little brother, 18 years old. So embarrassed of him. Okay, this is the big bug in my videos. He just keeps on ignoring me. So let me just tell you what our location is. It's in Europe, and I'm at a train station. The name of our city is Bratislava, and it's in Slovakia, Europe. I think you guys would think that we're in America, but sadly we're not. By the time I'm 8 years old, we're gonna be in America. I have a pretty dark voice for a 7-year-old, but I am from America. My brother's too. Yeah, that's it. Wow. And trade. That's nice. Little train right there. Wow, that is loud! Oh my gosh! That is loud. That's a pretty loud train. Goodbye, Mr. Talking Dog. Oh,
So it was a very good thing.
look at that rusty old can. That is just a waste. I mean, I get if someone didn't have to use it, like, put it in the trash can, you dummies. It's normal stuff. I'm sorry if my hand is in the way, it's just dumb things, but oh my gosh, would you look at those horrible buildings?